So I'm the CEO of Coniq. Coniq's a company that's 4.5 years old, and it's focused on CRM systems for shopping centres, which sounds pretty unglamorous, but behind that is a whole new wave of business of helping shopping mall owners, shopping centres, airports really understand who their shoppers are. So what we do in a nutshell is we install hardware and software into the retailers in the shopping mall. We deploy apps, loyalty programs, cards, emails, whatever channel we can use to talk to the shoppers. And then we measure the effect of that communication through transactions. So we're measuring transactional data at a store level across shopping centres. We've got about 13 million shoppers that we track. It's about 650 brands that use the system. So everyone from Gucci down to Primark, shouldn't say that, Gucci across to Primark, Tesco's, you name it. And that gives us a very detailed view of really how people are shopping, how it's changing, and how the rise of the internet and new channels is changing offline shopping behaviour.
Okay, great. Thank you. Marrit.
Well, I'm Marrit. I work for Redevco, obviously. I head up the research and strategy department. Redevco is an independent pan-European investment management company, and we're specialized in retail property. We manage a portfolio on behalf of our clients of about 6.9 billion, spread over Europe in the most attractive retail destinations, and it's about 400 assets. And what we see in retail, of course, is a structural change, as much as you are referring to as well. So with my department, what we're trying to do is to understand all of the changes that are shaping the retail environment, to be able to adapt our portfolio continuously so that we can continue to deliver attractive returns to our shareholders.
Great, thank you. Jonathan.
Thank you. Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm Jonathan Doughty. I'm the head of Foodservice Consulting for EMEA JLL. As a business, we are putting food service as a category across the whole of the JLL service line now. And I've been doing this for 30 years. The first 10 years, none of you wanted to know anything about food service. The next 10 years, you were mildly interested. And in the last 10 years, you can't get enough of it. That's all I can say.
Marije Braam, Head of Retail Research for CBRE Global Investors in Europe. We manage around 80 shopping centers across Europe, varying from very large and big and dominant shopping centers to more convenient centers. I think that is also for us where we look very much in detail in what are consumers expecting from us, what we put in our centers and how we serve them. And I think the service element is also becoming more and more important, as also the food and beverage, which we also track in our consumer trends surveys.
Okay, great. Thanks, Jace.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Jace, Tyrrell, Chief Executive of New West End Company. We are the management and promotional body for Bond, Oxford and Regent Street. 600 members, retailers and property owners, and we have about 200 million customers a year coming to our district. So a lot of data and a lot of insights on what trends are happening globally and locally as well.